Hello everyone.
Hello.
Today is Memorial Day 2021 and today is about those who courageously lost their lives and those who are still fighting for us today. So we will be doing some grilling outside and just enjoying our beautiful country that we're so lucky to live in.
We are blessed.
Absolutely. So if you'd like to hang out with us tonight, sit back and relax, grab yourself a drink.
And we're about to make a fire. We got some appetizers coming up, some steaks cooking on the fire. So I'm excited. And
it's a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. So we're pretty lucky after the last couple days were pretty gloomy. So it's nice.
So come along with us.
Let's do it. We are Kim and Aaron, and this is Zach and Cody. We are best friends living and traveling full-time in our renovated RV, Lucy. We have been on the road since October 2020, so please subscribe to join in on all the fun.
RVTV, K&E RVTV, sing it with us.
RVTV.
All right, let's see what we got going on in here. We got cute puppies.
Oh yeah, the cutest puppies.
Cutest puppies. And we got some appetizers. Some salami and cheese. This is pimento cheese. This is the garlic salsa that we bought the other day on one of our outings. You'll see that soon. We got some shrimp cocktail, some nuts, some pickles, and these are low carb tortillas that Aaron cut up into little pieces and then cooked them up in the air fryer. So we have like little low carb chips. So let's dig in. If you heard that noise when I was talking before, it is our ice machine making some ice for us right now. Bloop. Easy.
So here we have some top sirloin steaks, and I season them. Ooh, sorry. Okay. I season them with my Bucky's steak seasoning and a little butt rub as well. I season both sides and pat it in a little bit, and then let it sit till it gets room temperature. Grills much better.
Everyone loves a little butt rub.
Oh, and then we're gonna be topping them with our garlic butter.
Yes. Caught you. What you got?
A little tortilla that I made, some hard salami, and some creamy hamburger.
Pickle. Gross.
Ranch pickles.
Oh, she did the TikTok. You marinate your pickles in a ranch seasoning packet. How's the shrimp?
I did a great job defrosting them just right.
He's such a great cook. My turn. My cheese on cheese tortilla cracker business.
Good stuff. I got some cheese for the boys. You want that cheese? Yeah.
They
Cody wants that cheese.
Love cheese.
Yeah. And we actually got a special little treat for them later. They don't know about yet, but we'll make sure to show you that.
You excited?
You want that cheese? Yeah. Where's the good boy?
Is that your favorite treat?
Whenever they hear that word, those ears are.
So I found this new beer at the grocery store. It's called Yingling Flight, and it only has 2.6 carbs. So that's good when you're doing keto. 95 calories. So I'm trying it out. Let's see how it is. That's good.
Really? This is also something you rarely see is Kim just pop it open a beer. Only on special occasions like holidays. But you like it? Yeah, let me try it.
Try it.
Wow, yeah.
That's good.
It's super refreshing. Wow. And I was worried they weren't cold enough yet, but pretty cool.
Yeah, we put them in the freezer.
That's real.
It's really good.
Yeah, good job. Good choice.
So if you want a low carb choice to like make your own crackers, still have some nice chips and salsa. Delicious. Yummy. Double dip. So good. So my beer is so good.
Get another one.
This was really good. Like, I'm like a Bud Light person. My daddy raised me on Bud Light, so I'm not really crazy about like regular Yingling, but this is really good and low carb. What's going on over here, man?
Alright, I got some chopped up portobello mushrooms and onions. I just put a little Worcestershire and some adobo seasoning, let that sit a little bit. I rough chopped some cauliflower, cooked it up in my favorite little steamer in the microwave. And then I have some asparagus marinating and Italian dressing with Parmesan cheese. And basically all this is gonna end up on the grill.
Yum. Time to make fire.
Zach's barking at you.
What are you doing?
You forgot something.
Oh, thank you.
Need a koozie.
We got people playing baseball out there. We got the pups with us. Now time to start this fire. Cheers, my friend.
Happy Memorial Day.
Fire started. Let's hope it lights. We got some good boys here enjoying the fire and the beautiful day today. Who's ready for some steak? Who wants steak? Anybody want steak? Cody wants steak? What's up? How you doing, Chef Aaron? How's everything?
So good.
Yeah.
Gotta wait for the fire to happen so we can start grilling some meats.
Yes. Let's go fire. Alright, we got the fire cooked down pretty good. I added a bunch of charcoal so we can get that nice charcoal flavor on our steak. So I'm about to throw them on. Here we go. Yummy.
Alright, so I'm just sauteing up my cauliflower in my skillet. And then I'll be adding some cream cheese, some fresh shredded cheddar cheese, heavy cream, and a couple slices of American. And a little bit of seasoning, and then we'll have our cauliflower mac and cheese. Cauliflower mac and cheese! Woo!
Ooh, they're starting to look good. Almost time to flip it. Sun setting through the trees. It's a beautiful night. It's like 73 degrees. We're having a good time out here, right, Zachary? You having a good time? I guess that's a yes. Alright, we got those babies flipped. They're getting a nice char. Yes. Ooh, Aaron got that asparagus on there now.
I lost one.
Oh no.
One man down.
Get that nice char on there.
I just finished adding all the ingredients to our cauliflower mac and cheese, just melting it all together. And here's our steak off the grill, just letting it rest. And we're almost ready to go.
Are you gonna take your apron off?
No.
In case you make a mess?
Yeah, I will, you know I will.
Alrighty, here's the delicious finished product. Mushrooms and onions on the steak, asparagus. We have our lovely neighbor, Cindy, here, enjoying the day with us. Rosie, hi Rosie. Alright, let's dig in.
We need music.
No, we can't have music. How was your food?
Okay.
That's good? You like it? How's that cauliflower
It's so good.
mac and cheese?
It's so good.
Alright, my turn. Ooh.
Hold
You're
on,
getting
hold on,
leftover
quick,
steak?
Let me give you your easy, okay? Easy, buddy. Easy. Good boy.
Mhm.
Oh, easy, girl. You too.
The food was delicious.
It was so freaking
Zachary, you want a piece? Here you go.
I'll eat keto with you again.
You would do keto again?
I'll still do keto again.
Yes.
Winner, winner, keto
Good
dinner.
job, Aaron. That was delicious. You're being bad, Cody. You're being bad.
Like,
It's all gone. There's no more.
frying your eggs.
There's no more.
Well, obviously you
You're being bad in front of our
Put them
company.
on the grill.
You're supposed to act right when we have company. Cody, you being a good boy? Just chilling there in the grass? Being a bad boy off the leash? Yeah, you enjoying this beautiful night?
Yeah.
Yeah. Does anybody want some ice cream?
Who wants a treat?
Anybody want ice
You
cream?
want your end of the night Memorial Day treat?
Yeah, he does.
We got some Dogster's puppy ice cream.
What's the flavor?
I think it was cheese and peanut butter or something like that. I already got rid of the carton, but you want this? You want this ice cream? You want it? Does Cody want some? Are you gonna come over here, lazy boy? Where are you
You
going?
get that ice cream?
Come on. Come get your ice cream cones. He's like, Zach, want me to buy? Okay, you want Zach? There you go. Do I get his ice cream? Were you a good girl today?
Yes.
Oh, good boys. Enjoy your ice cream.
They're both going to town. Your dogs will love puppy ice cream. Go get you some. Okay, here we go. Our newest keto ice cream find from Rebel Ice Cream. It's peanut butter ice cream sandwiches. So good. Keto. So much healthier. Stop eating the regular ice cream and get these because they're actually really, really good.
But really expensive.
But expensive.
So thanks for hanging out with us this Memorial Day. And if you enjoyed the video, please give us a paws up. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe and have a great night. We'll see you in the next episode.
Bye. You say bye, Cody? You say bye?
This ice cream is so good.
Okay, bye.